Synthetic hair starts as polymer, made in chemical plants, not salons. The goal is to mimic human hair, strand thickness, shine, memory. Heat treatment gives synthetic hair its behavior: straight, wave, curl.
Lace is the foundation, thin enough to vanish, strong enough to hold knots.
Small hardware decides comfort and security. Hair, lace, and fiber move by ship, truck, and freight until they reach one floor.
Here, everything becomes one product.
Receiving is a checkpoint. Bad input ruins every step after. Materials are staged, isolated, and tracked before they touch the line.
Smell, moisture, pests, nothing gets ignored.
Sorting is where randomness becomes specification. Feel and learn standardization is handmade.
Alignment matters. Cuticles must face one direction to avoid matting.
Before beauty, there's cleaning, deep cleaning. Detergent lifts oils and buildup from months or years of life. Sanitation is non-negotiable when it will sit against skin. Feel and learn hygiene is part of craftsmanship.
Conditioning isn't perfume, it's friction control.
Too wet and it mildews. Too dry and it breaks. Light shades are earned, lifted carefully to avoid turning hair into straw.
Silver isn't just light, it's balanced.
Dyeing is penetration, not paint. Feel and learn. Depth comes from saturation and time.
Most of the work is matching, so the final piece looks like one head of hair.
Heat sets behavior, especially for styles that must stay calm. Feel and learn texture is programmed.
Uniform tension is the difference between waves and chaos.
Cooling is part of the process. Heat alone doesn't finish it. Feel and learn material science in motion.
For volume, speed matters. Machines build the backbone.
A good weft holds when it's cut, sewn, and worn.
Extensions get the same grading because they must disappear into real hair.
Hardware is tested, not trusted. This mesh will carry thousands of knots without showing itself. Feel and learn foundation must be strong, yet invisible. Full cap wigs start like clothing, patterned, stitched, reinforced. It is engineered, so it stays secure without pain. Some builds add PU for grip, durability, and cleaner attachment. Before knotting, density is planned, front softer, crown fuller. Feel and learn natural appearance is a distribution strategy. This is the slow heart of premium wigs, ventilation. Feel and learn hand labor is the premium factor. Angle is everything. Hair must fall like it grew there.
A believable part isn't added later, it's built into the lace. Wefts add mass quickly, then handwork makes the front believable.
The strongest points are where people pull, nape, Ear tabs, straps. Feel and learn durability is designed around real behavior. These anchors keep the wig stable when you move.
Perfection looks fake. Natural hairlines are uneven, on purpose.
Those soft edges are deliberate, built for closeness. After chemicals and handling, the final wash resets everything. The last step is style, but it can't hide bad structure.
Quality control is brutal. If it sheds here, it fails out there. They don't just check hair, they check the illusion. Packaging protects shape, so the first try-on feels perfect. Feel and learn shipping is part of quality.
From here, it splits salons, retailers, medical centers, doorsteps. Thousands of tiny knots, leaving as one promise.
In the end, the factory disappears, and the hair looks like it was always yours.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.